If you're looking to understand how to assign custom roles in teamwork.com, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to take full control of your workspace, assign roles, and fine-tune permissions to fit your team's needs. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to learn something new, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to assign custom roles and ensure that your team members have the right access. Plus, I'll share how you can try out teamwork.com for free with an exclusive bonus. First, let's talk about why assigning custom roles in Teamwork is so powerful. The ability to assign roles allows you to streamline your team's workflow and ensure that each member has the right permissions to get their job done without unnecessary access to areas they don't need. This helps keep things organized and secure. Custom roles let you define exactly what each team member can see and do, which is essential for productivity and privacy. To get started, log into your Teamwork account and head to your workspace. Once you're in, click on the People tab on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll manage all of your team members and roles. Next, click on the Roles section at the top. Here, you'll see a list of all the default roles that come with Teamwork, like Admin, Project Manager, and Standard User. But what if you need something more specific for your team? That's where custom roles come into play. To create a custom role, simply click the Add Role button. You'll be prompted to give this role a name, something that clearly describes the function or access level of the role. Maybe it's a role for a particular department or a contractor who needs limited access. Once you've named your custom role, it's time to define what this role can and can't do. This is where Teamwork really shines. You'll see a list of permissions, including everything from managing tasks and projects to viewing sensitive financial information. Select the permissions that fit your needs. You can choose whether the role can create tasks, edit project details, or even manage billing and invoices. The beauty of custom roles is that you're not limited to preset options. You can tailor each role to your exact specifications. After defining your custom role, you can assign it to the appropriate team members. Simply click on the team member's name, and in their profile, you'll see an option to assign them a role. Select your custom role from the list and save it. This gives them the exact permissions you've defined. It's that easy. One important thing to note, while custom roles are incredibly flexible, be sure to review permissions regularly, especially as your team evolves. Someone might need more access as they take on new responsibilities, or they might need fewer permissions if their role changes. It's a good idea to revisit roles every couple of months to keep everything aligned. Now, here's a pro tip. If you're managing a large team or company, you can streamline this process by using templates to quickly assign roles to new users. This saves time and ensures consistency across your team. So, whenever you bring someone new on board, they're automatically assigned the right role based on their responsibilities. If you've stuck around this far, you're already ahead of the game. To make sure you're getting the most out of Teamwork, remember that you can try this software for free through the first link below. We've arranged an exclusive extended free trial that lets you dive into all the features, no commitments required. So, to wrap things up, assigning custom roles in Teamwork is one of the most important features for keeping your workspace organized and secure. It lets you give the right people the right access, ensuring that your team runs smoothly without any hiccups. With this simple step-by-step guide, you're well on your way to mastering custom roles in teamwork.com. And don't forget, click the link below to get your exclusive extended free trial. Take full advantage of all the features that Teamwork has to offer and streamline your team's workflow today.